Sit there, please. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Salt Lake County in northern Utah, eastern Davis County in northern Utah, southwestern Morgan County in northern Utah until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Salt Lake City International Airport, or 10 miles west of Salt Lake City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, West Valley City, Layton, Bountiful, Farmington, Morgan, Kaysville, North Salt Lake, Centerville, Woods Cross, West Bountiful, Salt Lake City International Airport, Magna, Immigration Canyon, Great Salt Lake south of the Causeway, Fruit Heights, Portersville, Stoddard, Peterson, and Ridgeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 308 and 330.